Yo, what's up, Facebook? I'm driving home, and I don't know if you know this or not, which you probably don't. My radio went out on my truck about like 6 months ago, maybe, and so I drive home with no radio. I either listen to I used to listen to podcasts. Now I'm watching a lot of YouTube videos. But, I come up with the best ideas, when I'm driving. And people are like, dude, how do you not have a radio? Well, I just don't, because I'm working and my mind's thinking and and I'm doing things. But, so I have the best idea. Obviously, I come up with the best ideas all the time. So, if you are an investor, if you are in real estate, if you are a house flipper, if you are in any kind of real estate business, or even if you are a realtor, listen up, because this is something that I want to talk about. Last night we had another hailstorm, which we haven't had hit the center of San Antonio in a while. I think the last one we had was maybe 2016, 2019, which was like in the Dominion area. But so what I'm thinking is, if you have a property that you're flipping, or a property that you're restoring, and you got hit with hail last night, you probably have insurance on this property. So why not have the insurance come out, take a look at this property? You're going to sell it, remember. So you can sell this property with a brand new roof, and all you had to pay was your deductible, right? This happened to me one time. We were doing a house, my wife and I, Amy, if you're watching, we did a house over in St. Hedwig, and we had just started it, and a storm came through, tree hit the house. We used the insurance, right? Our deductible was like $1,000, and we ended up getting like a $9,000 roof for our $1,000 deductible. That's pretty awesome if you ask me. So I know you guys are, huffing and puffing, and you guys are working, and you're like, hey man, we got to get this house flipped. We got to get this house restored. But remember, you're paying insurance on this project. If you're paying insurance on this project, let's get that house inspected. Let's get that house under review with my team, right? And if we can find the hail damage to get you approved, you're going to have a brand new roof for your $500 deductible, your $1,000 deductible through your insurance. So when you go to sell, you don't have any problems with the roof. You're like, hey, we're selling this house with a brand new roof, and it only cost you $1,000. You're getting a $10,000 roof. You're getting a $15,000 roof, a $20,000 roof for $1,000, or whatever your deductible is. It depends. But I remember that happened. That happened to Amy and I. We were doing a remodel at a ranch over in St. Hedwig, and it ended up. I mean, who doesn't want a brand new roof on your house that you're restoring or you're flipping? I've seen some of your guys' roofs when you sell them, and they look a little rough. So but anyway, I come up with the best ideas. You're very welcome. Hopefully you guys will call us, and we can go and inspect those properties, and that way you can sell them with a brand new roof, and all it cost you was your deductible with your insurance. And I know you have to have insurance when you're flipping that house, because your hard money lender is requiring it. And you're probably wondering, I'm paying this insurance and it sucks because I'm not getting my money back. But right now's the time to get your money back. Get yourself a $12,000 roof for your $1,000. And if you've done 10 flips in the past year, you're making your money back up. Anyway, thanks for watching this. And I almost have another, and we made a video of this, but I'm going to release the news right now on this one. For all you realtors, and you have houses in escrow right now, don't get stuck in the escrow. Make sure that you call us and make sure that we're getting eyes on those roofs right now. You want to make sure that we're looking at those roofs, because if you're going to close in 30 days and then all of a sudden the inspector goes up there and he's like, hey, you're hammered with hail, now you're not getting paid in 30 days, you're getting paid in 60 days. So get us up there. We'll go up there, we'll inspect it, we'll give you a digital analysis, right, of what's going on, and you're not going to get stuck in escrow. You're going to get paid a lot faster. Anyway, just think about it. Talk to you guys soon. I'm almost home, and it is 7:30. Bye.